Welcome to my channel. Step ahead with a new video. In this video and show you a magical hair oil that will make your hair grow naturally fast. So let's get started. To prepare this hair oil you require this fresh amla finely chopped. This is quantities 1 and then around 6 to 7 garlic cloves chopped and chopped. Onion, this is quantity as a small onion 1 and then you require this castor oil. If you don't have castor oil you can also use olive oil and then coconut oil. So I'll add all these ingredients first. I'll add castor oil, that is around that is 3 tsp of castor oil, 3 tablespoons. And castor oil is one of the best hair oil for hair growth. And now I'll add this coconut oil. That is around 40 tablespoons of coconut oil. To that I'll add these garlic cloves. This finely chopped garlic and then onion and there. So what I will do is I'll boil all these ingredients on a low flame for 5 minutes. All ingredients are about 5 minutes on a low flame, and you can see now all these ingredients are reusing the juice. So after leaving it for 1 hour I have just filtered, and here is the magical infused amla garlic and onion hair oil. We shared with the direction on how to use this hair oil to get effective results. So just slightly warm the oil and then a massage on your scalp and onto your hair in a light circular motion for 2 minutes, and then let it stay for about 1 to 2 hours, and then shampoo your hair followed by a nice conditioner. Now also do not throw away the leftovers, so you can just blend all these ingredients into a smooth paste. Add 2 tablespoons of amla porter, or you can use henna powder, and 3 tablespoons of yogurt and apply on your head. So let me share with other advantage of using this hair oil. Ala is a great source of antioxidants and vitamin C that promotes healthy hair growth. It also prevents hair fall and premature hair. Green onion and garlic, the both contains a compound known as sulfur that boost blood circulation in your scalp and prevents hair green and also stimulates hair growth. This hair on makes your hair grow naturally fast and stronger. So use this hair oil twice in a week for best results. So hope you find this video useful. So thanks everyone for watching this video, and for more such videos with the subscribe button.